Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to the creative process. This video is about my process for Inktober. As an artist, as we all know, it is tough to consistently post work. So I have decided to give myself a few restrictions for this year's Inktober. Number one, use reference images for everything. Like you see in the video, I used a reference image for the sword and a reference image for the person. Number two, perfectionism out the window. So basically, I have thrown perfectionism out the window because my goal for this year's Inktober is to show up each and every single day for the 30 days. And I know that if perfectionism is in the mix, I will procrastinate heavily because perfectionism is just unnecessary added stress. Number three is to post each image on Instagram as soon as the artwork is done. And number four, which is really hard, was to delete the layers in Illustrator after exporting that image. Deleting the layers after exporting the image really took away that added stress. These restrictions or parameters have really taken the stress of trying to create something perfect each day. Just a bit of background behind this image. This is for the Inktober prompt legend. This is day 15 October. This character is a warrior superhero type character. My process behind creating this character started obviously with what is the first thing that comes to mind when you think of legend, which was some sort of warrior slash superhero character like mentioned before. So I looked at reference images on superhero poses and I just changed it up by adding a sword to the mix. You know, wanted him to hold something just to add a bit more epicness to this whole shot. As you can see, the character doesn't resemble the reference image perfectly because obviously it's a reference image. That's one of the things that I've learned over the years of just creating artworks, is just using reference images as a base, not using them to trace, but rather to help to create your own unique work. Because like I said before, creating something out of your mind is pretty tough every single day. So just having that base or putting something on that blank canvas, I guess, really helps the creative juices flowing. Because think of it like this, you can always look at an image and think of what to add to that image, then looking at a blank canvas and thinking of what to add to that blank canvas. I don't know about you guys, but that's just me. Like, it's very tough to, like I've been saying, constantly create stuff from your head. I wanted to add a body under the guy's foot, but I got too lazy, so I decided to add a legendary box nonetheless. And the quote for today is, don't take yourself too seriously. This relates to Inktober, where taking your work too seriously can kill your motivation. Thanks for listening and enjoy the rest of the video.